Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles. Take a ride in the 2011 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.